Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we have this G87 M2 back at Regal Autosport. This time it's having an exhaust upgrade. So the factory exhaust system on these cars is renowned for not really producing a particularly nice tone or volume. So we're going to fix that today with a Remus exhaust system. Remus exhaust going to be fit into this is the axle back system, and the customer's gone for some lovely carbon fiber tips as well. So we're really looking forward to getting out on the car, looking at it, and also hearing the exhaust as well. But for now, this is what it sounds like. And then at the end of the video, we'll show you what it sounds like too. So let us know in the comments what you watched. Okay, so we've removed the factory exhaust system and we've got it down here just beside me. So you can see you've got a colossal back box, and this is what really restricts the volume and also dampens the tone as well. And on this system, you've got like some black exhaust tips. Coming over here, we've got the Remus system. As you can see, it's a lot less silenced. So this system is really cool because when the valves are open, the exhaust flow pretty much only goes through or bypasses the silencers. And then when the valves are closed, it'll pretty much exclusively go through the silencers. So there's a big difference between open and closed. And obviously now you don't have a massive back box on there. It's going to be a lot better sound wise. And then you've got the carbon fiber tips as well. So that's going to improve the rear end aesthetic. And then this particular system still leaves like the cats and the GPFs in place. So it's still completely emissions compliant. So perfect system to use on the road. We're looking forward to getting it fitted to the car and then showing you what it sounds like at the end of the video. As you can see, we've got the exhaust system fitted to the G87 M2. You can see the incredible carbon fiber tailpipes with the titanium inners. So let's show you what it sounded like before and then straight away what it sounds like now. Yep, so that's everything on this G87 M2. Obviously we fitted the springs, we fitted the spacers, and then we've got the exhaust system on it. So it's a really nice setup for the road. If you're interested in transforming your G87 M2 to something similar like this, then obviously drop us a message, give us a call, or have a look on the website for all of these products. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.